Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nasiro. I'm from class 2B. I'm nursing study program. I'm here to make video. Happy watching. Thank you, Miss. Good morning.
Good morning, nurse.
My name is Nurse Ira. I'm here to do a check in your head to determine the next action. The goal is to find out whether there is a nursing problem or not with you. The time is 15. His place in this room only. How willing?
Okay, nurse, I do.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really.
Wait, I will use the hand spoon. Okay, Don. I will touch your head. Okay. It seems that your temperature is increased. Now I am going to check your temperature. Using this temperature, I need to put this is your armpit. Can you lift your arm, please?
Sure.
Okay. Excuse me. Just keep in there for about 5 minutes.
What is my temperature?
37 degrees Celsius. Is there a complaint?
Yes, there is a nurse. I have a headache.
How often does the pain occur?
Very often.
What is like? Sharp, dull, stabbing, and aching.
I feel aching.
On a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 as the worst, what do you feel right now?
I feel it is 7.
Okay, it looks like you are under so much stress that your head often hurts, looks tense and pale. My eyes about your bio for documentation.
Yes, nurse.
Okay. What is your full name?
My full name is Rusmianti.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 90 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in the city of Children.
Your phone number, please.
08776655443322.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have a health insurance?
Yes, health BPJS in Indonesia.
Okay, what is your occupation?
I'm student in Valtahan University.
What is your next of kin?
My father.
Okay, enough for review.
Yes, nurse.
Okay, I will start with your head, face, and neck assessment first.
Yes, nurse.
Okay, I'm going to press your head.
Yes, nurse.
Okay, excuse me. After inspection, palpation, your head looks soft, clean, and your face looks symmetrical. No bump. Next, I turn to your face. Please take your mask.
Yes, nurse.
Okay. Your face looks symmetrical. No lesion, no bump. Next, I turn your next. Follow my other. Looking right and left. Right and left. Okay. Up and down. Raise your shoulder. Okay, down.
Yes, nurse.
Now I'm going to check nose cyanosis, mouth and pharynx.
Sure, nurse.
Any problem with your nose, like frequent called sinus infection?
No, nurse.
Any problem with your teeth and mouth and you are worse off?
No, nurse.
I'm going to touch is your nose. Excuse me.
Yes.
Okay. No, I'm just seeing palpation for any pain or tenderness. Hair, alright. And then I'm going to check your sinuses. Feel me if you feel any pain with is the maxillary sinuses. Okay. And in frontal sinuses. Okay. And then try to breathe. Okay. Cover one of your noses in turn. Now we are going to move on to I'm looking at your mouth. Okay, your light, white, are you pink and moist? Open your mouth. Okay. And so your teeth, okay, are white and light gum are pink and they are nice and light around the teeth. And then I'm going to next to look is your pharynx. Okay, tongue out a little and lower your tongue and stick in forward. So the soft palate is pink, uvula pink in the middle, midline the tonsils.
Thank you, nurse. Are there any more check?
Yes, I move on the ears, your eyes and ears.
Sure, nurse.
Do you eyes glasses?
No, nurse.
Now cover one eye with paper. Keep your eyes side forward, forward, and see if there are shadow from my finger or not.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, then follow the motion of the object in my hand. Okay, done. One more thing, I will check your pupil using a pen light. Okay. Sclera which is trying to white and the conjunctiva with shiny and pink. Now I am moving on the excision the ears. First, I am just looking at both pinop of symmetrical. I'm looking in the eyes, in the auditory canal, the external, and then palpation the pinop. Press on the thrice is right. Okay. Here the thrice get see I if there. I will test your hearing and follow whatever I say. Black.
Black.
Okay, white
White.
and green.
Green.
Okay, enough. For the eyes and ears, anything is normal.
Okay, nurse. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I will inject the drug according to what you are complaining about. The drug used injectable sumatriptan. Sumatriptan, a dose of 6 milligram injection and can be repeated at least 1 hour after the first injection if symptoms persist. A maximum dose of 12 milligram for a day. The location of the injection in the upper arm of the head at a subcutan. 45-degree angle medicine in the form of ampules with will injection this drug into your body. Hold it a little if you feel it.
Sure, nurse, no problem.
Okay. Okay, Don. Already completed for action today. I will supervise. How do you feel after I do all these action?
I feel calm, comfortable, and have no headache anymore.
You looks better. I will be back waiting for a decision from the doctor whether there will be further action or not.
Okay, nurse.
Thank you for your cooperation. Excuse me. See you.
See you, nurse.